We were mesmerized by its unveiling, the seamless blend of biology and technology. But what happens when that intricate machinery malfunctions? What if the precision gives way to chaos? Tonight, we explore the nightmare scenario, a runaway robot horse. Imagine a sudden power surge, a jolt of energy coursing through its complex systems, overriding its programmed movements. What was once graceful locomotion becomes a terrifying, unpredictable force. This isn't a toy. This is a machine of significant size and potential power. Or consider a software glitch, a line of code corrupted, a critical algorithm failing. The sophisticated AI that governs its movements could become erratic, its intended path veering wildly, its responses becoming unpredictable and potentially violent. Its weight alone poses a significant risk. Imagine this metallic behemoth, untethered and uncontrolled, charging through a crowded space. The force of its impact could cause serious injury, even death. What was designed as a marvel could become an unforeseen hazard. The potential for a deliberate, malicious override is perhaps the most chilling. In a world increasingly vulnerable to cyber threats, could this advanced machine be hacked? Could its movements be manipulated by someone with nefarious intentions, turning it into a weaponized force? The very sophistication that makes it so captivating also creates potential vulnerabilities. Complex systems mean more points of failure, more opportunities for exploitation. Are the safeguards truly robust enough to prevent such a catastrophic scenario? This isn't about fear-mongering. It's about responsible consideration. As we embrace these incredible technological advancements, we must also confront the potential risks. The power of a runaway robot horse is a force we need to understand, mitigate, and ultimately prevent. The dream can quickly turn into a nightmare if we don't ask the tough questions now. Sensor limitations exposed. Kawasaki's robot horse is a marvel of engineering, but its perception of the world is entirely dependent on its sensors and AI. What happens when those eyes can't see, or that brain can't process the unexpected? Tonight, we expose the potential blind spots and limitations of its robotic senses. Every sensor has its limitations. Optical cameras can be obscured by fog, rain, or direct sunlight. LiDAR and ultrasonic sensors might struggle with certain materials or complex geometries. These blind spots could create dangerous scenarios, especially in dynamic environments. Imagine the challenge of navigating a crowded park. Children darting unexpectedly, pets running off-leash, people stopping suddenly. Programming an AI to react safely and appropriately to every possible scenario is an immense undertaking. Can its algorithms truly anticipate the unpredictable nature of human and animal behavior? Consider the nuances of human interaction. A sudden gesture, a playful shove, a dropped object. Can a robot's AI interpret these actions correctly and react with the necessary caution? A misinterpretation could lead to unintended and potentially harmful consequences. The human factor. We marvel at the machine, but what about the messy, unpredictable variable in the equation? Us, the human factor. With a creation as novel and powerful as Kawasaki's Robot Horse, the potential for misuse, malicious intent, and sheer regulatory chaos is a wild frontier waiting to be tamed or to erupt. Imagine the novelty wearing off, replaced by recklessness. Untrained owners pushing the limits, attempting stunts, or using the robot in ways it wasn't designed for. A powerful machine in the hands of someone irresponsible is a recipe for disaster. Are there licenses, training protocols, or is it the wild west of personal robotics, where anything goes until someone gets hurt? Then there's the digital threat. Everything connected is vulnerable. Can this robot horse be hacked? Could someone with malicious intent gain control, turning a marvel of engineering into a dangerous tool? The implications are terrifying. A remotely controlled runaway machine, a sophisticated weapon in the wrong hands. And what about the rules of the road, the laws of the land? We struggle to regulate cars, bicycles, even scooters. Where does a multi-100-pound robotic animal fit in? Sidewalks? Streets? Parks? The lack of clear regulations creates a dangerous ambiguity, a legal vacuum where accidents are waiting to happen and accountability becomes a tangled mess. This isn't just about the robot. It's about us. Our capacity for innovation is often matched by our potential for folly. Without careful consideration, robust safeguards, and clear regulations, Kawasaki's Robot Horse, for all its brilliance, could inadvertently unleash a new era of unpredictable risks in this burgeoning Wild West of robotics.